Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint our St. Patrick's Day Leprechaun paint kit. I'm going to go in first and base coat his beard using the orange color that's provided and the number 12 flat, which is the largest brush in your packet. Everything that you need to complete this project comes in your kit: the brushes, the paint, and the Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline with. So you don't have to worry about going out and buying anything. Everything you need will be provided. I'm going to go in next with some of the dark green, and I'm just going to base coat his hat. I'm also going to use the dark green to base coat his pants. And I'm just using, again, that number 12 flat. If you felt more comfortable to swap to a smaller brush around the 4-leaf clover, just to get in those detailed areas, you can, but also it's not super important to worry about getting outside the lines, because we will go in and fill that in a second here and clean anything up. Again, going in and painting his pants now. Following that, I'm just going to wipe that brush off and go in with some tan color and paint my leprechaun's nose. And next I'm going to go in with the light green that's provided, and I'm going to paint my 4-leaf clover that's on my hat, and I'm also going to use that light green for his shoes. And you guys, I want to let you know that you can purchase these paint kits online at buildacross.com. You can also watch me paint live 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Central Time on Facebook. Now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline, and I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me, which makes this step super easy. And if you wanted to, you could use this Sharpie marker to go in and do some hand lettering on his beard. You could write Happy St. Patrick's Day or whatever you wanted to. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to swap my marker for a brush, and I'll be using my number 4 round and the white paint that's provided, and I will highlight everything just to brighten and soften it up, and that'll complete my look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.